Today's topic for the video is simple equivalent fractions. So first of all, let us try to understand what an equivalent fraction is. Let us say I am taking a fraction 2 by 3. And what are the equivalent fractions of 2 by 3? Suppose someone asks you, then what will you answer? Multiply 2 by 3 by the same digit. Suppose I am multiplying by 2 and I get 4 by 6. Then if I multiply by 3, so 2 times 3 is 6 and 3 times 3 9, 6 by 9. And then 2 4s are 8 and 3 5s are 2 4s are 8 and 3 4s are 12. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 50. So these are all equivalent fractions. What is the meaning? If you find the value of this on your calculator, you will get 0.666, something like that. And if you find the value of this, you will again get the same. And in the same way, you will get the value same for all these numbers, all these fractions. So these are called equivalent fraction. So what is the method to find the equivalent fraction? Suppose you have to find the equivalent fraction of 2 by 5. So you can multiply starting with any number. So let us start and multiply by 2 and both numerator and denominator. So 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. Then multiply by 3. So 2 3s are 6 and 5 3s are 15. Multiply by 4, so 2 4s are 8 and 5 4s are 20. So these are all the equivalent fractions of 2 by 5. I hope you learned how to find the equivalent fraction. Now the question is, how many equivalent fractions can a fraction have? So answer would be, a fraction can have infinite number of equivalent fractions. Infinite. Because the numbers are infinite, so you keep multiplying by any number and it will not end. So fraction will have infinite number of equivalent fractions. Now we are going to learn how to find the question, how to solve question like 1 by 2 of 12, 3 by 4 of 16. So 1 by 2 of 12 stands for 1 by 2 times 12. And now you can cancel 2 and 12 by 1 by 2. So 2 1 are 2 and 2 6 are 12. So 1 by 2 of 12 is 6 by 1, or that is also called 6. Similarly, if you have to find 3 by 4 of 16, you will cancel this 4 and 16. You can write 1 in the denominator because 16 and 16 by 1 represent the same number. And we always cancel a number from the bottom to the number at the top, or number at the top to the number of the bottom. We never cancel both the numbers at denominator and both numbers at numerator. So we will cancel this 4 and 16. 4 1 are 4, 4 4 are 16. So we are getting answer 12. That means 3 by 4 of 16 is 12. So if I ask you what is 3 by 5 of 100, so what will you write? 3 by 5 of 100 stands for 3 by 5, and of means multiplication, and 100. 100 you can write as 100 by 1, as I told you. Now you can cancel 3 and 5. 5 1s are 5. 100 divided by 5 is 20. So you are left with 3 and 20 in the numerator. So multiply 3 and 20. In the denominator you have 1 and 1. So 1 and 1 you multiply in the denominator. So 3 by 20 by 60, and this is 1. So ultimately your answer is 60, which means 3 by 4 of 100 is 60. 3 by 5 of 100 is 60. This is explained in your book and I have explained in short. For example, let us take a look at this picture that is given, and it says shade 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 of what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 by 4 of 8. And the total number of boxes are 8. So how many you will shade? That you will find 3 by 4 of 8. You will write here 3 by 4 of 8 and you cancel and you get 3 2s are 6. So out of 8 boxes you have to shade 6 boxes. This is how you will do these questions. In this question, it is asking match tiles with the same value. Click on each tile to select it. So these are tiles and the same value are 0.2 is 2 by 10. So 2 by 10, or that is also equal to 1 by 5. So these two are same. And then you can take 0.5. 0.5 is 0.5 is 5 by 10. And 5 by 10 will be 1 by 2. So this and this, they are same. Similarly, you can find any one of them. 4 by 5 is 8 by 10. So 8 by 10 is 0.8 or 8 by 10 is 0.8. So this and this are same. I hope it is clear. So rest of them you can do.